This is a Generac 14 kW standby generator. It was with the house when I bought it. It's about 10 years old, and it failed to start. A couple of days ago we had a thunderstorm and lost power, and for the first time this failed to start. The control panel is completely fried. I've never been able to see anything on that. It needs to be replaced, but it's an expensive proposition. So I proved that it didn't start because the battery was dead, and the battery sits in that little recessed area right here, and I couldn't get it out. Getting the battery out of this thing, because you have the housing over here and you have this little panel that is, they bent it in an effort to allow you to get the battery out. But the problem that existed was, with the battery cables connected, you can't lift the battery up high enough, because this housing is here and the battery would hit the housing, so you couldn't get it to swing around up on top of here to have it come out this way. So I called Generac to see what the trick was to get this battery out, and they couldn't tell me. They said they redesigned the housing so that the entire right end of the housing is removable going forward, so you can get the battery, get easy access to the battery. Bottom line is there are two bolts in this housing here. So, and there's also, I don't know if you can see that, there's a little clip here, and there's another one in the top, the curved portion over there, and those clips just go into, there's a little hole in this metal, and they go into there. They go in the little holes, and it sits like that. And then there are two bolts here and here. So I removed the two bolts, and I wiggled the housing a little, and I freed it. And once I freed it, I was able to lift the battery up out of that little depression there and twist it enough so it slid right out. I disconnected the cables, and I have a brand new battery I'm going to put in there. And I hope this video helps you, because it didn't turn out to be as big of a job as I was anticipating, having to remove the entire end of the housing. So that's my story, and I hope this helps. Take care.